Good afternoon, Dream Kit members. It's me again, and I'm actually we're gonna cut up some strawberries, and we're gonna plant them in here, and hopefully they will grow. Okay. All right. So what you do is you're just gonna cut off like a little bit of the top. So just a little bit where all the seeds are. I mean, you can take a whole bunch. I've only cut it once and it grew, but then it died. So we're going to try it again. I'm going to use the whole, actually that's fine. Okay, so just cut them up like very, very thin. Okay, then I have my soil. So what I'm going to do is put that slice in, and I think what you do is you put it on the softer side, so not where the seeds are, where the wet part is. Okay, I'm just going to put it in here. Okay, now I'm going to put some water. Alright, so I'm going to come back in a week, and hopefully there's something growing in here. And then I just put a little tape and named it strawberries on the pot. I do that so I know what's growing in each pot. I hope that I grow some strawberries, and I hope you guys can grow your own strawberries too. So have fun. Have a good day. Bye-bye.